In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zelle recipient from your Bank of America account. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up your list of recipients, perhaps after switching to new contacts or simplification of transactions, you're certainly not alone. The process is straightforward, but it requires careful attention to ensure you don't accidentally remove someone you still need. So let's dive in and guide you through the step-by-step process. First, you want to ensure you have your phone at hand with the Bank of America mobile app installed. Once you open the app, you'll need to sign in to your account using your login credentials. It's always good to ensure that you're in a secure location while logging into your banking app for added security and peace of mind. With the app open, the next thing to do is to navigate to either the main menu or the bottom toolbar where you will find the option labeled Transfer or Zelle R. Tapping on this will bring you into the section of the app where you can manage your Zelle transfers. The interface might vary slightly depending on whether you're using an iOS or Android device, but the key features should remain accessible regardless. Once you're in the Zelle section, you'll want to look for an option that says Zelle R Settings or perhaps Manage Recipients. These settings give you the control required to edit, add, or, as in this case, remove recipients from your list. Now, the next step involves scrolling through your list of recipients to find exactly who you intend to delete. This requires a bit of attention, as you don't want to accidentally choose the wrong contact. After locating the intended recipient, tap on their name. This will take you to the detailed view of their information within your Zelle settings. Here, having double-checked that you've selected the correct recipient, you will see an option to either delete or remove recipient. Go ahead and choose this option. At this point, most systems will prompt you to confirm your choice, just as Bank of America does. Take a moment here to confirm that everything is correct, and then proceed with the deletion. By doing so, you ensure that the recipient is successfully removed from your Zelle roster. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you've successfully managed to edit your Zelle contacts within the Bank of America app, keeping your recipient list up to date and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Bank of America app and Zelle features. Be sure to handle all banking related transactions with caution to maintain financial security.